Angular provides two approaches for building forms, template driven and reactive forms. I have worked with both, but I prefer reactive forms for large and dynamic applications because they offer more control and testability and flexibility. Template driven forms are useful for simple use cases. They rely on directives like ng model and are mostly HTML based. Reactive forms, on the other hand, are built using form group, form control, and form builder in TypeScript, making them easier to validate, dynamically build, and unit test. I regularly implement form validation using built-in validators like validators.required, validators.pattern, and custom validators for things like email checks or business rules. I have also worked with dynamic form generation from JSON data and implemented real-time validation, conditional fields, and form arrays for complex form structures. In one project, we built a multi-step form wizard using reactive forms with centralized validation and step-by-state management. It improved user experience and reduced bug related bugs.